Forex trading has the potential to make you a millionaire, but it's important to understand that it's not a guaranteed path to wealth. Forex trading involves knowledge, abilities, and discipline. Knowing the market and the economic and political forces that affect currency values is crucial. Despite losses or market volatility, traders must have a trading plan and have the discipline to follow it, win, lose or draw. To increase your chances of success, it's important to start with a relatively small trading account and to grow it gradually through consistent, profitable trades. Risk management is also crucial, as traders must be prepared to limit their losses and protect their gains. Most importantly, you must master your emotions and the mental state of trading that dictates success or failure when trading Forex. Forex trading has the potential to make you a millionaire, but it will take a lot of hard work, dedication, and consistency.